Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Amspacher. I'm the Director of Plastic Surgery here at Mosaic Life Care. And I wanted to talk to you about some fireworks safety things. One of the most common injuries that we see at fireworks time of the year is burns, because very frequently there's a lot of hot objects there, and unfortunately a lot of them involve children because sparklers can be very dangerous, and a lot of fireworks involve flames and can cause heat injuries very easily. The most common thing that we have to treat afterwards is burns. The other is impact or explosion injuries, because people have fireworks that they hold on to too long or that explode unexpectedly, because unfortunately we have to remember that the quality control at places where fireworks are made is not always the best. And so frequently fuses will burn faster than they're supposed to, or items that were supposed to shoot up in the air like Roman candles. I've seen a number of injuries of Roman candles that people held on to instead of putting them in the ground or putting them in a launch tube. The Roman candle just blew up. And so it can be a real problem for people's hands. Can sometimes be devastating injuries. My first and most important thing is make sure that if you have something that you're firing off, that it's age appropriate and that the child has specific instructions that they know how to follow and how to take care of what they're using, and make sure that they use launchers or other devices to fire things from. Don't fire them from your hand. Don't hold fireworks in your hand when you're lighting them. Putting them on the ground and then lighting them is much safer, because sometimes it's unpredictable how fast the wick will burn or if the item goes off. And then if you have an item that fails to explode, don't try and light it. Don't try and do other things, hit it with a torch or other things, because then it will blow up unexpectedly and can cause some pretty serious injuries. And so you've really got to be careful with the bigger fireworks displays, and even the simple ones. Don't let kids shoot bottle rockets at each other. I've seen bad eye injuries, face injuries from those sorts of things. And you just want to make sure that you're really handling them with the respect that they deserve, because they're explosive devices and they can really be dangerous if not handled appropriately. A good option for some of the younger kids is actually glow sticks, because kids are happy to handle anything that's a toy and that glows. And so it's a nice option for some of the younger kids. Just give them glow sticks or things that don't cause as much flame, fire, or danger. Because you can have a life-changing injury from an explosive device that happens in just a few seconds. I've seen people lose eyes, I've seen people lose fingers, seen lives changed forever from just a few seconds of carelessness or not really thinking through. Young man I had a serious thumb injury, nearly lost his thumb and changed his basketball career, his future. And seen older folks who just had the wrong thing at the wrong moment. Vision is a valuable thing, and our fingers are very valuable, and our life can change dramatically if we don't really take care of those assets. I think that the 4th of July is a wonderful holiday season. The best thing to do is enjoy the fireworks displays of professionals. Go to the Mustangs, go to Worlds of Fun, catch the big city displays. And when you choose to take care of and do your own, make sure you have water available to put out any accidental fires. If you do get burned, flush it with good clean water immediately. And if you have blisters, then you need to see a professional to make sure that there's no chances of infection or other things that need to be looked after.